Alright, hey guys, my name is Nani. Today I'm going to do an in-depth review on how to properly set up your KB XS3. This will also apply to all the gimbals that KB will be coming out. Alright, let's get straight into it. Grab your gimbal and grab your smartphone. Insert your phone, but you need to insert it in so the camera is facing out and away from these buttons. Alright, does that make sense? Slide it into the pocket. Now this is where you need to balance your gimbal. The aim of the game is to let go of the gimbal and the phone staying nice and flat. With the back screw here, all we have to do is loosen the screws. Slide it inwards. Now it's too much to the left. So once your gimbal is straight, you can turn it on without stressing the engine inside.